Exercise is great for you, but it's tough on your body. Your muscles work hard and they need help to recover and grow stronger. That's where recovery drinks come in. These drinks are like a magic potion for your muscles. They help your body bounce back faster after a hard workout. Recovery drinks are not just for athletes. Whether you're a runner, a swimmer, or just hit the gym occasionally, these drinks can help you. They provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to recover effectively. Think of recovery drinks as an investment in your fitness journey. By supplying your body with the right nutrients at the right time, you're maximizing your workout benefits and supporting your overall well-being. When you exercise, you sweat, you lose water and electrolytes. This can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can make you feel tired, weak, and headachy. It can also impair your muscle recovery. Water is essential for rehydration. It helps transport nutrients to your muscles. It also helps flush out waste products. This is why drinking enough water after a workout is crucial. It helps your body get back to its best. Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink water. By then, you are already dehydrated. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on it throughout the day, especially after your workouts. Electrolytes are minerals that conduct electrical impulses in your body. Sodium and potassium are two important electrolytes. They play a vital role in muscle function and contraction. When you sweat, you lose electrolytes. This can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. Recovery drinks often contain electrolytes to replenish what you lose through sweat. These electrolytes help maintain fluid balance in your body. They also support proper muscle function, reducing the likelihood of cramps and promoting faster recovery. By replenishing your electrolytes, you're ensuring that your muscles have the resources they need to function optimally. This is crucial for both immediate recovery and long-term muscle health. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle tissue. After a workout, your body needs protein to repair muscle damage and build new muscle. Carbohydrates provide energy to your muscles. They also help your body absorb protein more effectively. Recovery drinks often contain a combination of protein and carbohydrates. This helps your body recover from exercise and adapt to the stress you put on it. By consuming a recovery drink with the right balance of protein and carbs, you're providing your muscles with the resources they need to rebuild stronger. This process is essential for improving athletic performance and achieving your fitness goals.